Got home from work today to find the mail had come. The Color Classic logic board has been repaired by Amiga of Rochester, has been recapped, and a trace was broken and has been repaired. Let's see if the Color Classic will live again. That's a good sign. I doubt the hard drive that's in this thing is any good still, but it spins up at least. Oh. It is probably trying to boot from a dead hard drive. But that's a good sign. I don't even know if I have any bootable disks on hand or if they're at the office. I'm gonna call this a win so far. Well, I found a System 6 disk. It's not gonna run on this computer, but at least now I know the floppy drive works. Happy Mac. And disk drive is quiet, or else it's just really raining hard outside. Color. I'm gonna see if I can make a System 7 boot disk from my SE using the old trick where I'm gonna have to put a piece of tape over this notch and trick the computer and go from there. Maybe that trick doesn't work as well as I thought it did. I thought you could do that. Anyway, I got two perfectly good 520s sitting here. I'll just see if I can make a bootable disk. From this machine, besides the 520 PowerBook is a pretty good companion to the Color Classic anyway.
O'Doyle rules. O'Doyle rules.
Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna need to employ the use of a SCSI to SD adapter. But other than the disk drive auto eject not working, I think we got something good to work with here. Cool.